Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invest in ETFs on Sofi. Let's get straight into it. The first step, of course, is to log into your Sofi account. You can do that on the website, or you can do that through the mobile app. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the Invest tab. Next, you got to click on ETFs from the investment options. And then you want to browse Sofi's selections of ETFs. There are a couple of them there that you can make use of. So just choose the one that you want, and then choose an ETF that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. And then you want to determine how much you want to invest in the ETF. Next up, you gotta review your investment details, including the ETF symbol, investment amounts, and any fees that are associated with that. And once you have all that reviewed, and confirm your investments. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to invest in ETF on Sofi. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you find it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.